Hey, what's going on? I'm at Pruitt. I haven't done this in a very long time. Hope y'all are doing alright. Figured I'd do just something short and quick and sweet because I haven't done this in a long time, not in the new place and not sort of vloggy style. Everything that I've recorded here recently has been at work, so figured I'd do something that's just you know, for me, for my channel, for here, if you will. All it is just a quick little unboxing. The folks at Wacom, they hooked me up. It's really nice having a relationship with them, professional relationship with those folks. But they hooked me up with their new product, the Wacom One tablet. I'm going to be doing a review of it. I'll do it for Pruitt. It'll be on, I don't know, maybe Hands on Tech, something. I'm not sure. We'll figure all that out though. But I figured I'd share it here, let y'all, get a little sneak peek and tell you just a little bit about it and, give you a heads up, if you will. So let me grab the box. Hold on. My desk is an absolute mess. I really don't know why my desk is so messy. I spend a lot of time working on the laptop, but I have no idea why my desk is so messy. But here it is. This is the Wacom One box shipping that it came in. Can I find a scratcher so I can open this thing? I normally have a knife. Okay, but I do have this little cheap box cutter. Cheap box cutter works for once. So open it up. Let me move the camera. Maybe you can see a little bit that way. And that's what this is. See? Turn it around like that. There we go. Is it in focus? All right. Wacom One pen display. Now, y'all know I've been talking about Wacom tablets for umpteen years now. I use a couple different ones in my workflow. Fix the camera. I use a couple different ones in my workflow, whether I'm using just the regular Intuos to do my post-processing, or I'll use this Cintiq that I have over here. And this is not the Cintiq Pro. That's the one that they hooked me up with last year, a year before. It's not the Pro, but I actually like it better than the Pro, just from the way it feels. Like if I turn it on, here, look at it. See, I turn it on, it's just another display. But the difference is you can use your stylus on it. Oh, come out of there. And you can use it as a mouse or whatever, but if you're doing post-processing like headshots and stuff, it works really well for doing touch-ups on the person's face, skin softening and stuff like that. Now, this one, it's similar to that, but it's not as big. This is the Wacom One. What Wacom did is they wanted to try to take the same approach that they took with that Cintiq line, because they have the Cintiq Pro and they have the Cintiq. This here is just the Cintiq. This isn't the Pro. The Pro has a higher resolution screen. The Pro has a touch screen interface and a couple more bells and whistles, but at the end of the day you can still use the tablet function and the pen functions with all of the different multiple points of pressure. This is not going to be a Cintiq line. This is a Wacom line, so it's a step below what that one is, and it's smaller, so it's going to be a little bit cheaper. This is saying it's 13.3 inches or something like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's shut up. Alright, so this one, it is 13 inches and not necessarily like the 16-inch Cintiq that I have over there. So it's a little bit smaller and it's going to be a lot lighter. It still has the same type of connectivity where you can connect it to your laptop or your desktop with pretty much just one little connector. It's got like this like a Hydra connector, where on one side it connects directly into the Wacom, and then the other side has a whole bunch of different connecting options, whether it's USB-C or HDMI and things like that. I can't keep this camera still. All right, so I'm gonna crack this open a little bit real quick. Oh gosh, they don't make it easy anymore. There's that. Take that out. Yeah, see, this is a lot smaller, and it's really thin. I saw this one at CES. That did a quick video about it at CES. As a little first look, and there it is. This is a 13-inch tablet. It's not a 13-inch display. I think that display is a little bit smaller from here to here. It's going to be pretty close. So maybe it's about 10 to 12 inches. Not sure. But it's really lightweight. It's plastic. It's not metallic or anything like that. So it doesn't feel super duper premium, but it should still give you a decent performance. And it comes with the stylus. And the stylus is different. This is something that's going to be key. I won't get into all the details about it now, but the stylus that comes with this isn't like the stylus that comes with the Cintiq. The Cintiq is more so like that. It's a little bit thicker. This is what's called the Pen Pro 2. And then this is the one that comes with the Wacom One. This one is very, very similar to my regular Intuos Wacom. See if I can grab that one. All right, so yeah, this one is very similar to my existing Wacom Intuos tablet. Supposedly you're going to get the same amount of pressure points and stuff like that. I'll test all of that stuff out here soon and just keep you posted. But yeah, that's it. That's the Wacom One. You get an HD screen. I don't know how great the screen is, but for the price point, I think the price point is like $400 or something like that. Maybe it's cheaper than that. I could be wrong. I can't remember right offhand. I'll put a little blurb up on the screen and a link at the bottom so you know one way or the other. But yeah, that's the Wacom One. Something to help people get into the Cintiq mind when it comes to using these pen displays. It's going to be a lot of people that hate them. It's going to be a lot of people that love them. I got a hunch I'll probably like it because I'm sort of used to using the Wacom product line. But thank you, Wacom, for sending this over to review. Y'all stay tuned for the full review and video over on Twit. I'll do it on, it's probably going to be Hands on Tech. So go to twit.tv/hot. That's Hands on Tech. Hot, H-O-T. Get it? I know y'all smart enough. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here and rest up a little bit. I've been sick since CES. That crap sucks, and the only way to heal up is just to rest and just continue to try to hydrate. So I'm gonna get a little bit of rest now. Y'all take it easy. Thanks for watching. It's good to see y'all, and I'm gonna try to put a few more videos up here and there a little more regularly as I get time, because I'm still trying to get my flow and stuff. But work comes first, and then I'll jump in and start putting stuff here on this channel. Appreciate y'all watching and subscribing and telling other folks about it. Yeah, we'll go from there. Y'all take it easy. Peace.